Hello YouTube, welcome to another unboxing experience review with me, Ost. Today we are looking at the EK-M.2 NVMe Heatsink. This is the nickel-plated version. And this has tape, and I'm tired of tape, so I'm just gonna try to cut the tape without causing blood. If I had a review for this knife, it wouldn't get very hard. It's difficult to use, but there we go. I have cut the tape, so it should be easier. Okay, here we go. This is not much of a box, but then again, I guess it actually is. It's very nicely wrapped here. You get like some foam padding or something, and inside the foam padding you have your little instruction manual for how to do it, and you should have the two heat pads. One is thicker than the other, and you put the thicker one on the top, and they're the clips that you use to hold it together. And then here are the actual heat sinks. There's a back plate and a front plate, and I'm not going to open this right now because I don't want to get fingerprints on it before I install it. But yeah, I guess that's it for the unboxing video. I'm gonna give it a 5 because the tape, there's always the tape, and there's cats. I guess we can give it a 6 because there's cats. But the tape, I was prepared this time. I had the knife, but had I not had knife, you would have just watched me do this for 10 minutes, which is not very fun. I don't like that when there's tape and there wasn't any pull tab, so I give it a 6. But once you get into the box, you get like nice cozy foam, and yeah, so that's pretty much it for the unboxing. Now I'm going to install this, and I have another video up soon where I compare the before and after results for both performance and for thermals. So if you want to see that, like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss that content. And if you like 8-bit music, I do make that kind of stuff, and I have put a link in the video description so you can check it out. And I hope to see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.